Hello, everybody. I'm going to show you today how you can capitalize on trending topics, trending things on YouTube. It could be Google, YouTube. I'm going to show you an example using YouTube, but I've done this tons of times with Google as well. Hope you're doing well today. If at any point you want to see, a broader picture of how you can kind of do this and scale up, go over to getaiprofits.com. There's a presentation there that you can watch that will show you how you can kind of do what I'm going to show you on steroids and do it in an automated way where you don't even have to find the trends. You don't even have to create the content, all of that, but I am going to show you how to do that. So in order to do this, I use a tool called vidIQ. I'll drop a link to this in the description if you want to check it out. It's a great tool, but what it allows you to do is actually search for rising keywords right here. This is a feature that I have not seen any other of these tools like TubeBuddy or any of those. Those all have really good features and there's benefits to using them, but this feature is pretty crazy and it's been working really well for me. So I will come in here and I'm going to try to pull this over a little bit towards the middle. So I will come over here and hit rising keywords, and then I'm going to search by competition. You have to hit it twice. It goes to very low competition. And I'm looking for something that gets a lot of views. Like, here's one with almost 2 million, but I don't actually know what that is. I want it to actually be at least something that I know what it is. Let's see. So I'm scrolling through. These AI music ones are great. You can definitely capitalize on those. Let's just do this one, the Travis Scott AI. So you click it, it will show you what the overall score of the opportunity is, essentially. Like, is there high search volume and low competition? If so, you'll see a green number here. You'll see this arrow over in the green. If it's high competition if there's a lot of people going after it and there's high competition and lower search volume, you'll be, either in the yellow, the orange, or the red over here, and you'll have a lower score. So you're looking for a high score on this. And don't ever think that this is going to get saturated, because every day there's new things that are trending, constantly new things that are trending that you can do this with. So you will grab whatever keyword it is that you want to go after, and then you'll just make a longer video like the one I'm making right now. You can sit down in front of the camera and record this way, or you can use third-party videos, longer videos, and you'll want to grab like a YouTube URL for a video that you're actually allowed to copy, and you'll go over to what I'm calling the Opus method, opus.pro. You're using somebody else's. And if you just drop a YouTube link right here, it will actually just shoot you an email whenever it's split that YouTube video into a bunch of shorts. And so you'll post a long video on YouTube if you've done it, and then you'll put your link here if you're using your own material. If you're using a third-party material, you will go to YouTube, grab their link, put it in here, and it will spit out their material. But you're going to want to change the call to action on every short form piece that it spits out. I don't suggest just like using people's content that you don't have permission to use, but there are ways that you can get permission from people. And a lot of people, like, they understand the value of other people pushing out their material, so they will actually let you do it. They're like happy to have you actually doing it with them. So you will take that, you will make videos around it. And what I like to do, and what I think is a smart thing to do, is you want to title the video something like how to make $100 a day with AI, and then in parentheses of the title, you'll just put the actual trending term. And then the video itself will just be like, hey, look at how these people are using AI to create this trending thing. Whatever the trend is, it's typically going to be something AI related. You want to see how you can make money doing that, and then you'll promote an affiliate offer. So you're just like grabbing their attention and getting more eyeballs by kind of gaming the YouTube algorithm or the Google algorithm, whichever way you're doing it. And then you are driving those people over to hopefully an email opt-in first, or just driving them like directly over to an affiliate offer. If you don't know what affiliate marketing is, essentially like any tool that you go to, it could be, I have a list of them here. If you want to see a list of things that I promote as an affiliate, you can go over to reallycoolbots.com. pull up my spreadsheets here, and you will get access to this spreadsheet here. And you're welcome to just copy it and then switch out the links if you want. But all of these tools here, every single tool on this list is, maybe not every single one, has an affiliate program. And all that means is, like, if you drive traffic to that link and that person buys, you get a percentage of the profits. It could be anywhere from 10, 15, 20%, all the way up to like 70, 80. Sometimes, this is hard to believe, 100% commissions. I get 100% commissions on several products that I promote. Sometimes you have to pay to get 100% commissions. Sometimes the people that make the offer will just willingly give you 100% commissions because they know that getting that customer inside of their email list is worth so much money to them, like in the long term. So they're willing to give you like 100% of like a $27 product, or I get 70% on this other one that's $100. So I'll get $70 a sale. They only take like $20 a day. They're probably losing money on that because they're also like taking that money and then driving traffic, like paid traffic and retargeting and stuff like that. But they'll be like willing to do that because the value of getting somebody on your list is huge. And so, yeah, you can just come over here or create your own list. And then you just create those trending videos, the videos with the just mention very briefly, whatever the trend is. Hey, this AI Drake song is going crazy. AI is like taking over the world. I've been making, $100 a day with it, or whatever it is that you're making. Don't lie. I make a lot more than $100 a day doing this, but that's like an attainable thing for most people. And that's the desire. I found what I used to kind of cringe at the thought of doing, like the make $100 a day with this, make $100 a day with that. But that's just what people want. And you've got to give people what you want, or you just won't like drive any traffic and you won't make any money. And then you'll just be caught like chasing your tail. So yeah, if you want to learn how we're doing this like more in depth, go over to getaiprofits.com, vidiq.com/chanman. I'll drop a link in the description. That's my affiliate link for vidIQ. It's a great tool. It's an amazing tool. It does so many other things. If you end up buying that through my link, comment on this wherever you're seeing this, and I will shoot you a couple of looms that I've made showing you like some more advanced ways that I'm using it that you can copy. If you want a list of those tools, go over to reallycoolbots.com. I forget how many URLs I have going. And yeah, so that's how you do it. You just find the trend, you create a YouTube video, a longer form YouTube video that is maybe 5 minutes at the least. It could be up to like an hour if you want to just keep on chatting. You throw that into opus.pro. It will email you, the finished product of a bunch of shorts. It's AI that like optimizes these short videos, chops them up, spits them out to you. You blast those out onto Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, wherever you can. Yeah. And if you don't want to like be on camera, you don't want to do all that yourself, you can go over to getaiprofits.com. And if you get into that coaching program, you can use the videos that are created by the other content creators that are the coaches there. It works really super well. I do that as well. I create my own videos, but I also use theirs, chop them up and send them out. And I'm getting sales and leads every day doing that. That way you don't have to be on camera. So that's how you get started. Love you guys.